G'day guys, today we are going to pull the rocker covers off the GTR, the famous RB26 DETT. We're going to pull the covers off, have a look at the cams and do the Mines Triple Baffle Kit. We just had some freight come in, so the MS109 just turned up, which is pretty cool because I was getting very low. I think I only had about 10 or 15 litres left in the tank. Just carry some in. And yeah, it made really good horsepower on this. I don't know if a lot of guys use it. I know in the States too, Adam LZ is a big fan of MS109, and it always gives me the option, if I want, I can chuck ethanol in later, get this thing tuned. I probably will not do that until I put VCAM on it, and that's a big thing coming. I can't wait to do that. This thing with a standard 5-speed with VCAM, 550, 600 horse is gonna be sick.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.
So I just pulled the rocker covers off. Everything looks nice and neat in there. Nothing looks out of place. That royal purple oil is some seriously good stuff. Like, you can just see a purple glaze all over everything. Everything looks nice in there. Cams look good. You can sort of see down in there how much head work had to be done to fit these cams in. See how they've sort of ground away parts of the head to fit the cam lobes in, which it doesn't sound aggressive because it wasn't tuned that way, but it is quite a decent sized cam. You can sort of see down in there where they've shimmed it away. Cam rotates freely. They are good cams, they're Kelford cams. So let's get these rocker covers flipped over, have a look under them. So this bit here is what we pull out. So undo all these bolts here, pull it out, throw it away and put the Mines one in. The gaskets and half moons are brand new, so I'll try and save those. See how we go there. As for the valve covers, I want to try to look after them and not scratch them as much as I can because they've just been painted. What I'm gonna do is I've got to flip them over, pull this standard baffle out and then tap out these inserts. They bash out. Hopefully I can get them out without scratching the paint or anything. And then I've got some new Radium Engineering fittings to go tap in there, and then I can run it straight to the catch cam. This thing should breathe like a dragon then.
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff in the dark.
Can see inside this valve cover now, the standard, I don't know what you call it, the standard oil flow or oil breather system that it has. It's pretty crappy. It's just this little mesh bit of steel. It's not going to do anything. So the Mines Triple Flow one, which is this here, this kit here, Triple Flow cam cover and baffle kit. So these bits sit inside it, these new bits here, and then you fit these in there too, which is going to be much better than the factory one, as you can see. So I'm not going to use the Nismo one now, so I'll put that on the shelf or maybe sell it. We'll see how we go. I'm going to use a ATP one, which looks awesome. It's what a lot of the guys use, and it fits where the ABS delete just went. So where the ABS pump is, it goes right there. This side here is a lot cleaner. I don't know why. I'm guessing because that side there is closer to the PCB, which is where it was drawing up through. So yeah, anyway, let's get that old crap out, get the new ones in. I've got to bash these out now, so hopefully they come out without causing any damage. There's a fair bit of old oil and, well, I guess it is burnt oil and grime and stuff in these rocker covers. So I cleaned these out when I rebuilt the engine, but I never took these plates off, so I didn't actually see up inside here. So I'll clean it out now and go from there. This kit's pretty cool, it's pretty basic. You just pull out all the old stuff, which is that crap there, and then you put this foam here, which is like a oil resistant sponge. You poke it down in each end, poke it down in there like that, and then you just get this new cam cover, or baffle I guess you'd call it. You put silicone on there, and that plate there sort of holds everything in place, and you push down like so. I use Worth products. Worth products are awesome, and their silicone is so easy to use. It comes in like a pressurized aerosol can, so you just lay it on like that. So a standard RB26 has these cam or baffle, I think they're called, the baffle plates here, which you can just see. They're normally on 1 and 2 here. I'm not sure why mine are already back there. I think it's because the engine builder, he decided to put them there, which is good because it saves me undoing the cam and removing each cam bolt individually. Could put strain on the camshaft, and we don't want that. So they're already done, they're already back there, which is... What do you reckon? You want to go home, don't you? I'm pretty cool now then. All we have to do is glue this down. I'll do that tonight, let it set overnight, come back in the morning and put them on. Nice and easy and simple. Hopefully the catch can turns up maybe tomorrow, if not the next day.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.
So the new Mines valve cover kit is in, the triple flow baffle kit. It's pretty cool. You can see the breathers at the back where the sponge goes in. It's pretty well ready to go as well. So tomorrow when the silicone dries, I can put the valve covers back on. I've got new rocker cover gaskets and half moons at the back. I'm pretty keen to get the ATP catch can, which will go here over in the corner where the ABS was. That's gonna fill that little hole there, which would be nice. It's black, it's vented, and then I've got two -12 AN lines going to the new rocker cover. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It'd be great to hear from you guys and your thoughts on the Mines Baffle Kit. Tomorrow we will finish installing it. We'll also install the catch can and yeah, get it back on the road and go for a drive.